It's 4:30, and right now, police here in Indianapolis tell 13 News that a detective is following up on a citizen's vigilante child sex sting that is getting plenty of attention online on social media.
But they also warn these kinds of operations can actually hinder criminal prosecution. Rich and I has been working on this story all day, and he's here to tell us where this case stands. I'm sure the citizen thought they were helping.
Well, this video was posted on Saturday by a group called Poachers. It lasts almost 4 hours. We're not showing the video because it would identify a man who was not charged with any crimes. It would also show his residence. But in that video, the man who was confronted admits to having child pornography on his phone and buying child porn. He also admits to sending photos of his private part to an underage decoy. Police are called to the scene, and then the man admits again to those things. IMPD issued a lengthy statement that includes, "While we need community members to speak up and notify us of criminal activity, we also need to be clear law enforcement agencies cannot use vigilante gathered information to make an arrest. Information must be gathered through established legal processes to ensure it is admissible in court. Evidence obtained improperly or outside these procedures can undermine or derail an investigation, potentially allowing offenders to evade accountability and placing victims at greater risk of harm." And I talked to a deputy prosecutor today who trains child sex crime investigators.
It just really doesn't allow officers to vet the sources of information before they begin an investigation. So that's why it's so important that if you suspect a person is engaged in illegal conduct or is sharing illegal images online, to call the police and let them do the investigation.
Christina Carbove is also a senior attorney for the Zero Abuse Project, and she says another concern is that confrontation with a vigilante can sometimes lead to evidence being destroyed, or now I'm going to get rid of it before the police can get to it.
Yeah, so that is a concern.
Yeah, they still have their processes. All right, Rich, thank you.